Hello, this is Leslie from PTO today, and I'm going to show you how to customize our back-to-school PowerPoint presentation and then export a movie file to show at your back-to-school event. We've designed a template with customizable slides that includes an animated welcome slide, a slide to use to introduce your parent group board, a slide to inform what your parent group does for the school, and finally, a place for contact information at the end. So let's begin. The welcome slide with animation is already set. You can either leave this as is, or you can click in the text box, select the text, and change the copy. Next, you'll need to choose a slide or combination of slides that works for the number of people on your board. Since we have 4 board members, I'm going to delete the extra slides that I don't need. To delete, just select the slides that you don't need, holding down the Shift key, right-click, and select Delete. There. Next, I'll click on the text field at the top to add the name of my group. I'll type in Hildreth Elementary PTO. Then I'll click on the photo placeholder and find my file, Mary's photo. Then I'll add her information to the text box. Mary Sullivan, President. Okay. Moving along, I've already pre-filled in the details with the wonderful things that our group does for the elementary school. But let's add one more event. I'm just going to insert my cursor into the text box and type in End of School Carnival. If you'd like to add additional columns to this section, just add another template page. To do that, you just navigate up to New Slide and click on that extra template, and there you go. I'm just going to delete that for now. And finally, I'll add my contact information. So let's type in Hildreth Elementary PTO. Add my email address here. And the website address. We're almost done. Make sure to save every once in a while so you don't lose all this hard work. Finally, I'll export the PowerPoint file as an MP4 movie file. To do this, navigate to the File menu, Export, and choose MP4. Just click Export. It may take some time to export the file since it's a large video file. I've already gone ahead and included some timings to this PowerPoint presentation that will make the slideshow advance from one slide to the next, and also pause on the slides and allow the viewers to read the text. Looks like our file is done, so let's see what we have. And there we go. I hope that you find this helpful. Thank you so much for joining in.